welcome or welcome back to my channel. All those new viewers, my name is Ridhima. Do click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more content on home decor and few other tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your flower pots and make something like these. Let's get started. I'm going to work with these mini terracotta pots which I got from a local store and upgrade it in 3 different techniques. For the first technique, I am going to tape the upper portion of the pot and paint the lower portion with a white acrylic paint. Taping it gives you a clean finish. You will need to apply a couple of coats to get a fully covered look. Remove the tape once the paint is dry and tape it around the neck of the pot so that you can paint the upper portion. I am using lemon yellow here. Now that everything is dry, remove the tape. You can take any shape here. I just had a small earring in a triangular shape, so I am dipping that into the black acrylic paint and stamping it onto my pot. Our first pot is now ready. For the second technique, let's decoupage. You will need a painted pot, printed tissue, some Mod Podge and a pair of scissors. As you can see, the tissue that I have taken has all these designs on it that I feel is a bit crowded. So I'm just going to cut a few branches and leave that white portion here and there. Almost all the tissues are 2 or 3 ply. So remove those layers and take just the translucent printed layer. Apply a layer of Mod Podge onto the pot. So in case you do not have Mod Podge, just mix white glue and water in the ratio 2:1. It gives you the same effect. And then slowly paste your tissue paper from one side. Keep in mind to be gentle and to avoid air bubbles or any folds. With a bit of water on your fingers, dab around the edges of the pot. Once you have the desired designs on, cut the excess tissue paper and apply another coat of mothballs on it. You can also paint the pot with a clear varnish once the Mod Podge is dry for it to remain damage free. So, as you can see, the finished look. I just thought of adding a bit of color onto the base. So for this, I'm just taking a toothbrush and spraying it on to the base of the pot. Now, for the third and the final technique, you will need a plastic wrap, a pot, few sketch pens and a spray bottle with water. All you need to do is just scribble with your desired shape on the plastic sheet. This sheet can be anything, a ziploc or a normal plastic wrapper. I have taken a cling wrap here. Now, spray the water on it and simply put that onto the pot. That's all there is to do. Now slowly remove the wrap and let it dry. For the base, just thought a light pink would go with the shades that I have chosen, so painting it with some pink acrylic paint. Our third pot is ready too. Hope you all liked the video. Try doing this at home and let me know your comments. I'll see you with a new video next week. Bye bye.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.